Welcome to the fifth lecture of linear algebra. In the previous lecture, we had discussed about row echelon form, reduced row echelon form, and how to solve equations using Gaussian elimination method. So now we are going to discuss some more methods to solve system of linear equation using two variables. So two fundamental question arises. Is the system consistent? That is, does a solution exist? If a solution exists, is it the only solution? That is, the solution is unique or infinite. So let's move on to the today's lecture. A linear equation in two variable xy is an equation of the form ax plus by equal to d, where a, b not equal to 0. Example is x plus y equal to 5, 2x plus y equal to 7. Here we are having two equations and two unknowns. A solution of such a system is an ordered pair xy that is a solution of all two equations. So this xy must satisfy both these equations. For example, 2, 3 is a solution of this system. In general, if a pair of linear equation is given by a1x plus b1y plus c1y equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, then the following cases may arise. Case 1, a1 by a2 not equal to b1 by b2. In this case, the solution will be consistent and unique. The graph of the linear equations will be two intersecting lines. Case 2, a1 by a2 equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2. In this case, this system of equation is inconsistent. There is no solution for such system. The graph of linear equations will be two parallel lines. And case 3, a1 divided by a2 equal to b1 divided by b2 equal to c1 divided by c2. So this is a dependent system of equation and it is consistent. So we will get infinitely many solution and the graph of linear equation will be coincident lines. Different methods to solve linear equations. First one is algebraic methods. There are two different methods, substitution method and elimination method. And the second one is graphical method. The first one, algebraic method, and the substitution method. Solve one variable in terms of another variable and substitute it. So we are given two equations, 2x plus y equal to 3, x minus y equal to 0. From these two, we will get the value of x. That is x minus y equal to 0 and x equal to y. You can substitute this value in the first equation. So x equal to y is substituted in the first equation. You will get 2x plus y equal to 3, y equal to x. So you will get 2x plus x, that is 3x equal to, so x equal to 1. And substitute the value of x in 3, we will get y equal to 1. Therefore, 1, 1 is the solution. Next method is elimination method. So we are given two equations and two unknown. Our aim is to eliminate one of the variable from these two equations. How can we eliminate variable? We can add these two equations. We will get 3x equal to 3. So from this we will get x equal to 1. So we can put x equal to 1 in equation 2. So equation 2 is x minus y equal to 0. Therefore, 1 minus y equal to 0. Minus y equal to minus 1 and y equal to 1. Therefore, 1, 1 is the solution of the system. We got the same value. We are using the same equations here. The substitution method, we got the solution as 1, 1. And in elimination method also, we got 1, 1 as the solution. Now we are going to solve a set of equations using graphical method. We are having two equations. For each equation, we will get a line. So our aim is to plot the line. In order to plot the line, we need some coordinate points. So in order to find out certain coordinates, we can put x equal to 0. We will get some y value. X equal to minus 1, we will get some other y value. Like that, we can proceed. Put x equal to 0 in 2. So this is our 2, x minus y equal to 0. So putting x equal to 0, we will get y equal to 0. So one point is 0, 0. And to find another point, we will put x equal to minus 1 in 2. So x minus y equal to 0, minus 1 minus y equal to 0, minus y equal to 1, y equal to minus 1. Next point is minus 1 minus 1. So point is x equal to 2. So in 2. So x minus y equal to 0, value of x is 2, minus y equal to 0, minus y equal to minus 2, y equal to 2. So one point is 2, 2. Now we are taking the first equation, 2x plus y equal to 3. So putting x equal to 0, 2 into 0 plus y equal to 3, y equal to 3. So our point is 0, 3. Now again, putting x equal to 1 in first equation itself, we will get 2x plus y equal to 3, 2 into 1 plus y equal to 3, and y equal to 3 minus this 2. We will get 1. So 1, 1 is a point. To finding next point, we will put x equal to 2 in 1. So x is 2, 2 into 2 plus y equal to 3, y equal to 3 minus 4. So we will get 3 minus 4 is minus 1. So 2 minus 1 is the point. We will plot it. We will get like this. These are the points of equation 1 and these are the points of equation 2. So we will plot equation 1. This is the blue line is the equation 1 and this green line is equation 2. So we will get the intersecting point and again this point is 1, 1. This intersecting point is 1, 1. So this is the solution. So for a graphical method, for a given pair of linear equation in two variables, the graph is represented by two lines. If the lines intersect at a point, there is a unique solution for the two equation. The equations are called consistent. So here our equation is consistent. We got a unique point and our equation is consistent. So this is unique solution. If the lines coincide, there are infinitely many solutions for the pair of linear equation and each point in a line is a solution. If there are infinitely many solutions of the given pair of linear equations, the equations are called consistent. The lines are parallel. There is no solution for the pair of linear equation. If there is no solution of a given pair of linear equation, the equations are called inconsistent. So some points regarding this graphical solution. If the slopes are different, then the type of line will be intersecting and we will get a one solution. If the slopes are same and intersect is different, then type of line will be parallel and there will be no solution. If the slope intersect are also same, then type of line is coincident and we will get infinitely many solution. So another definition is independent equation. If two equations are independent equation, then each have their own set of solution. Intersecting lines and parallel lines are dependent. If two equations are dependent, all the solution of one equation are also solutions of other equation. When we graph two dependent equation, we get coincident lines. Solve x plus 3y equal to 2, 2x plus 6y equal to 4. So the equations are plotted on the same line. In the previous case, we got an intersecting point, but here we will not get an intersecting point. Since the lines are plotted on the same line, we will get infinite solution. 1 is the scaled version of 2, or in other words, we can say that 2 is the scaled version of 1. In such situations, we will get infinite number of solutions. Next question, solve x plus 2y equal to 2, x plus 2y equal to 4. What is the specialty of this equation? Right hand side is different, but the LHS is same. It is not possible. So if we plot such lines, we will get like this. This blue line is x plus 2y equal to 2, and this red line is x plus 2y equal to 4. We will get two parallel solutions. So there will be no solution for this system. If the slopes are different, the lines are non-parallel and must cross in exactly one point. If slopes are same and y-intercepts are different, the lines are parallel and do not intersect. If the slopes are same and the y-intercepts are the same, the two equations represent the same line. So we are having some situations. Lines are intersecting, parallel or coincident. So number of solution in this case is 1. In this case is there will be no solution. Here we will get infinite number of solution. Consistent or inconsistent, this is consistent. For parallel lines, we will get inconsistent system. For coincident, we will get consistent system. Dependent or independent, this is independent. This is again independent. And finally, this one is dependent. Without graphing, determine the number of solution and then classify the system of solution. y equal to 3x minus 1, 6x minus 2y equal to 12. So solution is, we can compare the slopes and intercepts of two lines. So y equal to 3x minus 1. Actually, this equation is already in slope-intercept form. We have to convert this equation into slope-intercept form. So 6x minus 2y equal to 12, minus 2y equal to minus 6x plus 12. So we are dividing LHS and RHS by minus 2. So we will get y equal to 3x minus 6. So find the slope and intercept of each line. So here y equal to 3x minus 1. So m equal to 3 and b equal to 1. Here y equal to 3x minus 6. So m equal to 3 and b equal to minus 6. Since the slopes are same and y-intercepts are different, the lines are parallel. A system of equation whose graphs are parallel has no solution and is inconsistent and independent. So in this lecture, we had discussed three methods: substitution method, elimination method, and graphical solution. In the previous video, we had discussed about the Gaussian elimination method also. So that's the end of this solution of linear equation.